Hello everyone, and thank you so much for purchasing my motion backgrounds pack. In this short video, I would like to show you how to change the color of some of the designs that are being offered in the background pack. Right, so once you have downloaded all the files and extracted them, you're gonna have these files and folders in front of you. If you go into this all motion backgrounds folder, they're going to be all the different categories of motion backgrounds. So you can go in them and just directly start using them. They are full HD files, and you can preview them quite easily, right? And you can just see what works best in your project. Now say this file is really good and this is something that I really like, right? So if I want to change the color, if you're not happy with the color that is being given to it, what you could do is I'm going to show you this in two softwares, Adobe Premiere and After Effects, but this basically works with similarly in the different programs, right? So I'll take this to Adobe Premiere, drag and drop it here. I've already created my sequence, right? I'm going to take this video, I'm going to drag and drop it right here in the timeline, right? So in FCP, Sony Vegas, it all works the same. So this is a video file that we have. Now you won't like to change its color. The way I would do it is go into the effects panel, go and just type out a black word over here. There's going to be a lot of presets here. We don't need these. Come down, go to this image control, like video effects, image control. Take this black and white effect, apply it to the video. This way everything becomes black and white. Now we can start adding our color into it, right? So whatever color you want. Now I'm going to type the word tint, apply this effect to the video. Now once your video is selected, right? Once your video is selected like this or like this, go to the effect controls, and here you can change whatever effect you're applying. So we apply the tint effect. Now by default it's going to do the same thing as black and white. So we'll take this white color and we will change it to something that we like. So maybe I want to go for this purplish sort of feel, right? So once I do this, you can see that it doesn't really work out very well. It's okay, we're getting there. I'll take this one more time and I'll go for a brighter color, right? Okay, we're getting there. I'll take this map black to effect and I'll just duplicate the white effect, right? I'll click on the map black to now and I'll go for a darker shade, something like this. So now you can see that we are trying to change the color, and this is definitely working. You can control how much intensity you want of the color. So maybe you want something like this but a little less intense, so you can change the amount to tint to maybe 75, right? Just bring it down, bring it up, see what works best in your project, right? So you can just scroll through this and see what you like. So I'm going to keep it at about 50, and then finally I'm going to go for an effect called curves, and this is going to help us. I'm going to go for RGB curves. I'm going to take this, apply it to the video. I'm going to scroll this down in the effect controls, and this is the last effect that's going to help us give us that proper polish to our video, right? So I'll take this luma or this brightness curve and I'll adjust it how I like. So maybe I want to go for something like that, and maybe adjust the greens to highlight and to really polish that purple look, and depending on maybe a little bit of that purple is, yeah, there you go. So we're having different nice shades of magenta and purple, and then there you go, right? So comparing what we had before, so this is what we had before, and after some color correction this is what we have now, right? So this is one way of doing it. I'm going to do the same thing in Adobe After Effects. So I'll take this video file, maybe I'll go for a different video file. I'll go for Form Cinematic 06, take it to After Effects, create a composition from it, right? And I'm gonna go for an effect called tint in After Effects. Apply it, go to the effects and presets, search for tint, apply it to the video, and I can change the map white to effect to a different shade. So maybe I'll go for that purple magenta look again, something like that. Take that map black to, take it over here, change the map black to a darker shade like this, right? And then I can adjust this with the amount to tint. So maybe I want it a little less intense, something like that. I'll go for an effect called curves to polish this look, and then just see what works best and what I really like. So maybe a little more contrast like that, just the greens, right? Something like this. And we're having a very nice combination of purple. Oops. And we're having a very nice combination of purple and blue, right? There you go. And this is how you change the color. So again, this was before, this was after, right? Superb. And that is how you work with the color changing part of the motion backgrounds pack. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any problems, if you feel like you want something, or maybe you want to get the project files, the open project files that were used in creating this, so you can please leave me an email and we can discuss about it and have a small chat. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.